Hi fellow designers, welcome back. So today we are going to be making this trendy braided hairband. In less than 5 steps we are done. It is really easy to make. So I have my fabric cut out here already, and also it is very essential you have your fiber. If you don't have your fiber, you could use stuffings from your old pillows, or you could think outside the box and find out what you're going to use to fill in this bands. But anyways, I have my fiber here and I got this for 300 naira. I'll be putting the exchange rate in dollars so you know how much that is in dollars, but it's really cheap. Go ahead and cut out 3 pieces of fabric, just as you can see here. For the length of the fabric I have here, for the length, this is 36 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 36 inches for length. Then for the width, how wide it should be, this is 5 inches wide. As you can see, this is 5 inches wide. So the 1, 2, 3, they are all 5 inches wide. So, and then I have this little piece of fabric here, which the length is 5 inches, and then the width is 3 inches. So you just go ahead and cut out a little piece of fabric like this. We're going to be using it to round up this, like to put this hairband together. Fold this in from the wrong side, we'll fold it in the right side like this, and we'll go sew by 1/4 inch like this. So I'll sew by 1/4 inch on this part, also on this part 1/4 inch, and also this part. So 1/4 inch. So yeah, before I take this to my machine to sew, if you know you're new on this channel and you're not subscribed, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you find the steps very easy and straight to the point, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also you can go check out my previous video. I have previous video on how to make hair scrunchies, ruche hairband, and then I have easy videos for beginners that don't know how to cut patterns. So I have those videos, so go check that out. And welcome to my channel, guys. So let's take this to our machine and sew. Be right back. Okay, so I am done sewing this by 1/2 inch. I'll go ahead and flip this to the right. Of the edge, I'll place the 3 of them together like this, and then I'll sew on this part. I'll sew to put them in place. So now I'll just go ahead and stuff this with my fiber. I'll stuff this in from this part with the fiber here. fabric cutouts. This is the smaller fabric, and this fabric is going to be acting as the facing for this fabric. But anyways, you get to understand as we move along in the video. So this fabric, the width is 2 inches, so it is 2 inches wide, and then the length is 15 inches. The next fabric is this fabric, and then it is 3 inches wide. It is 3 inches wide, and then for the length, 16 inches long. This is going to be the fabric for the elastic. It is 50 inches long and 7 inches wide. So the first step is for us to go ahead and fold this into 2. From this point, I'll go down by 8 inches. And then from this point, I'll go in by 1 inch. Now I'll connect this point to this point. I'll connect the 1 inch here to this 8 inches. And then I'll go ahead and cut. So once that is done, I'll fold this into 2. So once I am done tracing it out, now take it to the machine and sew by ½ inch round, and then I'll fold this into 2 and sew by ¼ inch. After sewing, I'll go ahead and flip this to the right side. Passing this elastic through. This is the 1 inch elastic, and then the length I am using for this project is 8 inches. So I'll use my safety pin to pass this through.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long